What's up, everybody? It's Rest in Peace Caleb Gaming here, and right now I have my bird right here with me. He could listen, he could hear me and everything. You'll probably be able to hear him too. He's hanging out with me for now, so he might be talking to you, he might not. But this is my bird, Alex. You can't see him, but he's a bird, and yeah. Alex, say hi. Really? Hi. Say your name. Really? Well, guess what? It's your birthday. I know. And, unfortunately, you didn't get your nails clipped. Yeah, I know. But yeah, guys, this is my bird. You could hear him easily. Cause he's probably closer to the microphone and whatnot. So yeah, what? Alex, be quiet. And sorry. I'm sorry, guys. So basically, today this video is I don't even know what I'm gonna do. What even should I do? I might just do a building since I don't really have anything to do. And I don't want to do any mints. Or I don't want to do a CJCF or CEO. I am okay, because I'm freaking. Oh shit. Because I'm lazy and I have a really low laff. And so I'm gonna do that. What, Alex? So I'm gonna try to see if this person wants to come. Nope, she doesn't want to come. Alright. I'm ready to probably die. But yeah, my bird is here. It does get annoying. So, Alex, are you gonna talk or not? Yeah. Sorry, guys, if you could hear that, that's my mother talking about my brother. But yeah, I believe you don't, but you could still. But what was it? Wait, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah. Thank you for the 21 subscribers, I believe. I believe it is. That's actually pretty much a lot for me than any other channels that I had. The channels I was singing but I didn't remember the password and everything to it, so I kind of lost it. And now I did this one because I also found out Caleb Logan died from Brazili. So then I named it this channel Rest in Peace Caleb Gaming, because I honor Caleb. I honor Caleb every day, and while I honoring him, I'm on a game for talking. So yeah, I know this video wasn't that long, guys, but this is what I'm gonna be recording today. So yeah, I'm sorry, guys, but I'll probably see you in an hour or so recording. So yeah. Hey, Alex, say goodbye. You don't want me to leave? Well, Alex, say goodbye. Okay, bye, guys.